Box of the twister includes main body, front fork, steering wheel, backrest. Open the cell cap, insert the two AA batteries. Take the front fork, open the fitment as shown. Take the main body, insert the front fork from beneath the body. Put bearing as shown. Now place the steering wheel onto its place. Put the rod through it as shown close at the steering cover. Fill the body and secure it with nut. Place the backrest onto its place. Now the booster is ready for you baby to use.